Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make stir-fry cabbage with potato. Hope you like it. For this recipe, I use Thai basil seasoning powder with minced meat, and it tastes really good. I've recently fallen in love with this seasoning powder because it tastes really good when used to stir-fry vegetables and fried rice. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: potatoes, cabbage, Thai basil leaf seasoning powder. This is the seasoning powder is not product advertisement, yeah, because I like it so much, so decided to share out with you all. Peel and slices potatoes. Pat dry potato slices with kitchen paper. Pour into baking plate. Drizzle cooking oil and mix evenly. Air fryer for 10 minutes at 160 degrees. You may also oil fry it at your own preferred method. Cut cabbage into small pieces, wash and set aside. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Optional to add chili for a hint of spice. I didn't dice the chili peppers because they can be easily picked out after frying, and they are not too spicy, which is suitable for family members who don't like spicy food. Once chili has released flavor, add fried potato slices. Add cabbage and stir fry. Add 2 tablespoons water. Add seasoning powder to tastes. This seasoning powder has a very fragrant basil leaf aroma, and it really fills the house with fragrance when it is fried. Add salt to tastes. Stir fry for another minutes. smells so good. Plate it. It's so easy, right? This dish can be done in short time. The crispy cabbage accompanied by the fragrant and glutinous potato slices has a rich basil aroma. You can't stop eating it once you start. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. What are the health benefits of cabbage? Cabbage is a good source of vitamin C and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Additionally, cabbage has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing the risk of cancer, improving heart health, and aiding in digestion. Why is cabbage good for brain? It contains the antioxidant anthocyanin, which boosts mental function and concentration. It is also rich in the mentioned above vitamin K, which contributes to brain function, has a modulatory role in cognition and may prevent dementia. Potatoes for health and nutrition. They're rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Potatoes were a life-saving food source in early times because the vitamin C prevented scurvy. Another major nutrient in potatoes is potassium, an electrolyte which aids in the workings of our heart, muscles, and nervous system. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.